स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल में। नमस्कार, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे नए वीडियो में। और आज के वीडियो में हम देखेंगे हाउ टू फॉर्म हाइपोथेसिस इन one sample t-test which is performed in Excel. What will be the decision and how we will reach at some conclusion. Here we have taken the same example that there is one file. There is one video that is on Hindi marks. You can see the same video, and here you will find how the same process, if you don't have SPSS, then how the same process can be repeated in Excel. So here first of all let us see our data. Our data is Hindi marks. Here you can see we have 86 students and 86 students data are there. So let's move on to find out what is our hypothesis. Null hypothesis says the data has given average marks equal to national marks of 85. Here we means that on the country level, on the average level of any country, the marks of the students are in 85. So H0 will be 85. And alternative hypothesis will be the sample has average marks different to that of national marks of 85. So H1 is not equal to 85. So this will be our alternative hypothesis. H1 is not equal to 85. So now let's proceed how to calculate these things, how to calculate t statistics. First of all, we have to go for what is our this mean, which is we have taken on the basis of hypothesis, that is equal to 85. So just simply put here 85, and next is mean. We know the simple formula to calculate the mean is average. So we will go for average. We will take the numbers from here. Control Shift and down arrow should be used. So it select all values in the given here. So this is our mean. So this is here mean. Now next calculate the standard deviation. To standard deviation, STDVE EVA. So again let's go to data, same Control Shift down key, and after pressing enter you will get what is our standard deviation. So here it is standard deviation. Now what is next required, that is n. Simply because it is a small data set where we know where 86 are there, 86 students are there, but if it is a large data set, in that case it is divisible, that you should go for count function. So equal to count, select the values, and here is count. Then what is degree of freedom? Degree of freedom is always n minus 1. So we will select this minus 1, or we can simply say we know by minus 1. Then what is standard error of mean? Standard error of mean is equal to standard deviation. What is standard deviation? This is standard deviation divided by square root of n. So we will write SQRT and start bracket. We will take n, that is 86, this value. So this is standard error of mean. Now what is t statistics? T statistics is equal to our mean of the sample minus this hypothesis mean divided by this cell. So this will give us the t statistics, right? After calculating the t statistics, the final step is to calculate the p value, and p value is simply calculated by using t dist start bracket, take abs for absolute value, then take this value, and then we need to take degree of freedom, and then because it is two-tailed test, because we are interested in whether marks are higher than or lower than 85, so we will use this one. So here is the p value. But exactly what is p value? Whenever you have e means e is raised to minus 17, means this much. So let's see exactly what this value is. Go to format cell, go to numbers, let's make it 10. So exactly this is the value here, this is the value. So we can see this is 0.0000, which is less than our significant level of 0.00. So now after calculating all this, let's move on to find out the results. Here we can see on the basis of this value, as p value is less than 0.05, so this is a strong evidence to reject null hypothesis. So null hypothesis will be rejected. Decision: as the p value is less than 0.05, so there is a strong evidence to reject the null hypothesis. So null hypothesis will be rejected and alternate hypothesis will be accepted. And what will be our conclusion? The conclusion will be the sample has average marks different to national average marks of 85. So that is also being revealed here. If we compare the two average, there is a significant difference. So this is the way how hypothesis is formulated for one sample t-test, and this is the step-by-step procedure how you can calculate t value this is how you can calculate one sample t-test in Excel. It is very simple. Let's see if there is some changes are being made into data. I am just reducing some of the values. Let's see what will be the effect or implication. I am making a change that I am taking that here the marks are 65 for most of the students. Let's see, just to check out the implication, what is happening. So what has happened here, you just see because it is 66, still there is a significant, in case of one sample t-test, p value in most of the cases will be significant because it will be deviating from average, that is our hypothesis mean 85. Either it will be higher or either it will be lower. Here we are finding out that the value has changed. Now our mean is 66.86. Now let's, so this was the original data. This was our original data, and let's me take you to another. Here let me make marks of these students to 90. Okay, so most of the students I have changed the marks to 90. What is happening again this time? What is happening? The average marks has changed to 85. Standard deviation is also changed, and if you see, this value has also changed. Test statistics has also changed. So this is the way how you can perform one sample t-test in Excel, and you can check it out. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. फिर मिलेंगे एक नए वीडियो के साथ, एक नए कंसेप्ट के साथ. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियो. फिर मिलेंगे एक नए वीडियो के साथ, एक नए कंसेप्ट के साथ. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.